My brothers and sisters, listen, I want to know why all of you are fighting the Kurdish. Why the Iran, the Iraq, everybody wants to fight Kurdish. The Kurdish people are good people. Why are you people fighting them? Leave them alone. They are doing the good things for the nature. So leave the Kurdish people alone. Let them do what they have to do. There is no need everybody fighting the Kurdish. The Kurdish are the people surviving the generation that is coming. The Kurdish people are surviving them. They are trying to fight for the little ones that have no parents. So why are the Muslims, those Muslims in Iran, Iraq,
Turkish,
the
fuck of Turkish.
Why are you people fighting the Kurdish? Mostly the Turkish.
Why
are the Turkish? You are all bastard. I don't like the Turkish anyway.
Yeah,
because they are evil people. Turkish are evil people. I live with the Turkish before.
Say I want a freedom, you know.
Yes, the Kurdish want a freedom. Let them give Kurdish people their freedom. This world is for everybody. Nobody has no place to stay. You can get up and live anywhere you want to live. You understand? If you get up today with your clothes and say, I'm going to Iran, I'm going to anywhere, you are free to live. It's supposed to be like that. So let the whole world, the East, let the East leave the Kurdish alone. They are a minority. They're not very minority of people. Let them leave them alone so that they can live a good life. They are fighting for the freedom of everybody.
Thank you, brother.
They are fighting for the freedom. They are pursuing the Daesh, the ISIS. So why are they? The Iraqi soldiers couldn't do nothing when the ISIS were there. ISIS pursued Iraqi soldiers. It was the Kurdish that came in to help. So why now you people decide to pursue the Kurdish? Why? The Kurdish people are good people, so leave them alone. Let them live good life. One love. God bless everyone.